Have you ever gotten bored during the company event? This is not going to happen to you anymore. Not with Happenee. Hi everyone. My name is Nicole and it's time to introduce you our Relax Zone.
Whether the event is entirely online or hybrid, have fun the whole time, including breaks. Come turn on the jukebox and stretch in the workout corner. Social ball and pinboard allow you to share your adventures, photos and notes with others. It's a great way to build and strengthen the community, especially when people can meet in person. A little competition never killed anyone. Let's play some games and find out who is the best. How about mixing some fun with a tiny bit of business? Try choosing a sponsor for each game and give the contestants even higher motivation.
Sounds good, right? Make sure to check out our next video where I'll describe you the rest of our fun and quirky demo.